No vehicle, bud.
904, he's saying Allah Akbar and that he's a suicide bomber.
Come out with your hands up. Do it now, sir.
Left hand.
Sir.
We don't want to hurt you. Just come out. We want to talk. No one wants to hurt you.
Sir, drop the knife and come out. Sir. Why don't you step in the car and we'll talk, okay? What's your name, bud?
Bag him again, bag him again, bag him again. Did he drop the knife?
Police car, come out now.
I will cut you. I am a suicide bomber.
You're under arrest. Come out.
الفيديو الكامل في القناة، وأيضا الرابط موجود في وصف الفيديو. لا تنسوا الاشتراك والإعجاب لتصلك المزيد من هذه الفيديوهات.